Two HR giants, two radically different approaches. Which one really delivers? On the left, Zenefits, the all-in-one HR, benefits, and payroll powerhouse for small businesses. On the right, Remote, bringing global payroll and compliance to teams in over 180 countries. Let's skip the hype and see how they actually stack up. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll have a clear winner. And trust me, the results for 2025 might just surprise you.
Quick look at our mind map here. We're going to pit these two against each other in all the key categories: pricing, global coverage, features and integrations, UX and app experience, support and customer service, compliance and security, and, oh, this is important, what kind of company they're actually best for. Ready? Let's jump in. All right, first up, pricing. Zenefits comes in with that super transparent per employee pricing. It's like $10 a month, which honestly is really affordable for all those core HR payroll things. Of course, if you get international, some features start costing extra, but for most, the cost is gonna stay pretty low. Now, Remote charges flat, and oh boy, the starting price is $50 per contractor. So yeah, your wallet feels that more. No hidden fees, which is cool, but if you go full EOR, it's almost $600 a month, so definitely steeper. Both charge more for big international features, but Zenefits is the obvious winner on price for US teams. Global coverage, and this is where things flip. So Zenefits, awesome if you're just in the US. You get good benefits handling, but it really falls flat if your team's spread out across the world. I mean, if you're dreaming of hiring in Europe or Asia, it's not going to cut it. Remote, though, this is wild. They cover 180 plus countries. It's literally one-click hiring for contractors worldwide, with compliance handled automatically. For US-only teams, it might almost be overkill, but if you want a truly global squad, Remote takes this round super easily. Next, let's talk features and integrations. Zenefits packs a bunch of tools into one app: HR, payroll, benefits, time tracking. Plus, it plugs right into stuff like QuickBooks, Slack, Salesforce, 40 plus integrations. It'll automate pretty much everything: onboarding, offboarding, the works. Downside? The cheapest plan is kinda limited on bells and whistles. Now, Remote, on the other hand, is like global onboarding, one click. It's got an API, it auto-generates contracts, approves invoices, but things like background checks or US-specific stuff, like I-9 forms, yeah, no-go natively. Bottom line, both are stacked. Zenefits is more all-round for US, Remote is more global. They tie here. Hey, random fun fact. Did you know Remote lets you hire legally in 180 plus countries with just a few clicks? Meanwhile, Zenefits is laser-focused on automating hiring and onboarding if you're growing fast in the US. Basically, whichever direction you're scaling, one of these probably has you covered. Let's move on to how easy these are to actually use. The app experience. Zenefits looks fresh, mobile-first, and users actually love it. Seriously, 4.4 on Android and 4.2 on iPhone, that's solid. It's fast for staff to grab PTO, pay info, docs. The only thing is, advanced tools are kinda locked unless you pay for the high-end plan. For Remote, the design is super sleek, and weirdly, iPhone users give it a perfect 5.0, but not as many folks have reviewed it yet, probably because the user base is more niche. Real-time onboarding is slick. Still, in terms of sheer usability and popularity, Zenefits takes the win. On the customer support front, Zenefits gives you tutorials and in-app help, which is awesome for self-starters. But if you want live support, you need to be on a higher plan, which is really? Also, reviews on speed aren't always amazing. Now, Remote actually gives live support on every plan, plus a satisfaction guarantee if you use their EOR. Their in-platform help docs aren't as deep, but you can just chat with someone anytime. Honestly, Remote wins for support, no question. Now, compliance and security, super important, right? Zenefits nails the US side. Tons of built-in alerts for ACA, COBRA, all those alphabet soup policies, and automated tax filings. But want to go global? That's where it stalls. Whereas Remote, this is next level. They cover compliance for 180 plus countries, handle local tax laws, equity, contracts, and it's all done by real experts. It's more payroll-focused than HR stuff, but for security and peace of mind, especially worldwide, Remote is the winner here. Okay, last category, who these are ideal for. Zenefits is like the go-to for startups, small businesses, and US-based teams under 250 folks. It's seriously handy if you just want everything in one place. Not so great if you're scaling globally, though. Remote, on the other hand, is built for distributed, global-first teams, or anyone hiring internationally and needing airtight compliance. Not cheap or efficient for strictly US-only companies, though, so it kind of balances out. Gotta call this one a tie.
Here's where you really see it all side by side. Zenefits totally dominates on affordability and ease for US-based teams. Remote just crushes it if you need global coverage or hands-on support. And on features, honestly, it's tough. They both nail the essentials, but in totally different ways.
So, my honest take, Zenefits is the champ for small or mid-sized businesses in the US that want everything done right from one dashboard. You want simple, affordable HR? This is it. But if your team's even thinking about hiring internationally, Remote is hands down the clear leader. Seriously, it'll save you headaches, legal drama, and make payroll a breeze pretty much anywhere. Did this comparison help you figure things out? Let me know. And hey, follow for more deep dive breakdowns before you pick your next HR